In line with the Saudi Vision 2030, Yanbu University College or YUC is preparing its students to become future business leaders. Through its collaboration with the Webster University, it arranged the Capsim business simulation workshops for its male and female faculty members to bridge the gap between theory and practice for their students.
Capsim simulation program will be implemented in MGT 418, which is a business policy course, strategic management course for business students. In this course, they will be able to connect and relate all the functional areas of management like finance, human resource, marketing, and look at the organization as a whole rather than focus on different parts only.
We see the market condition, we make some real-time decisions which we cannot get from any academic book. So it was a great experience, and I'm sure that it will be really useful for our students as well. It will give a lot of exposure to them to make real decision making in the real business environment.
Using an online interface versus virtual competitors, students are given control of a $100 million company. They have to then develop and execute a strategy in a tough and fast-changing marketplace. It's a hands-on opportunity to apply knowledge, test assumptions, and learn to make complex management decisions without real-world risks. Many a times, failure strikes.
You could have a group that has gone over the expenditure limit and they have an emergency loan. But then the students have to face the difficulties of producing a positive income, having positive cash flow.
When they make mistakes, what they need to do to fix those mistakes. When they go in the industry, when they come back and talk to us, they say things like, wow, I couldn't imagine that just that activity in the last course was something that got me ready, because business in a lot of ways is a game.
Capsim business simulation have been used by some of the world's most prestigious companies for more than 30 years. So what kind of changes become evident in the thought process of students after they have taken this program?
Some students who happen to be a little bit weaker in their studies have come up very strong. They become more focused because now they like the idea of putting the theory into action.
Gone are the days when implementation of a business strategy would take 4 to 6 months to show results. With internet connectivity spanning the world, the marketplace responds almost instantly to new trends and tactics.
While students are playing the business simulation game, they are actually competing with other teams around the world, so they can see how they fit and compare with other universities. They get a chance to prove their business skills and have an opportunity to impress future employers with their business acumen.
Alongside the Capsim workshop, the first batch of the graduate degree program offered jointly by YUC and Webster also kicked off.
I was very pleased to meet with the students, see the progress that they are making. The students, they can earn a graduate certificate in an area that they prefer to get a specialization, and with some additional courses that they will take, they eventually can earn a graduate degree from Webster University.
The Royal Commission Yanbu Colleges and Institutes, of which YUC is a part, is known for providing hands-on and competency-based education to its students. The Capsim business simulation is yet another step in that direction, and our graduates will benefit greatly from it.